Improving consistently with ChatGPT, a quick tutorial for practitioners. ChatGPT, a model from OpenAI, offers numerous opportunities for practitioners to enhance their skills and productivity. This tutorial provides actionable steps to improve consistently using ChatGPT, starting today. Leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities. Understand the model's scope. ChatGPT is a powerful language model trained on a vast corpus of internet text. It can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts, including answers to questions, writing essays, summarizing articles, and more. However, it does not have personal experiences or real-time access to the internet. Utilize ChatGPT for efficient workflows. By automating repetitive tasks, ChatGPT can help practitioners save time and focus on creative aspects of their work. For example, generating boilerplate code, creating marketing copy, or summarizing meeting minutes. Improving writing skills with ChatGPT. Fine-tune your style. ChatGPT can help refine your writing style by providing suggestions and examples for sentence structure, tone, and clarity. Users can ask the model to rephrase their sentences or write an essay in a specific style. Expand vocabulary and grammar knowledge. Practitioners can leverage ChatGPT to learn new vocabulary words and explore grammar rules by asking for explanations and examples. The model can also help identify potential errors in written work and suggest corrections. Optimizing learning and research with ChatGPT. Enhance your knowledge base. ChatGPT is an excellent tool for answering questions, explaining complex concepts, and summarizing academic articles or research papers. Practitioners can use it to quickly understand new topics, reinforce existing knowledge, and stay up to date with industry trends. Simplify research processes by using ChatGPT to gather information, synthesize data, and provide insights on various subjects. Practitioners can streamline their research processes and make more informed decisions. The model can also help identify key takeaways from lengthy documents or presentations. Collaborating with ChatGPT. Brainstorm ideas and solve problems. ChatGPT can assist in ideation sessions by generating ideas, exploring possibilities, and suggesting solutions to problems. This can help teams overcome creative blocks and make faster progress on projects. Enhance team communication. Practitioners can use ChatGPT to draft emails, meeting invitations, or project updates, ensuring clear and concise communication within their team. The model can also help generate summaries of discussions, meetings, or brainstorming sessions. Conducting interviews with ChatGPT. Simulate interview scenarios. Practitioners can use ChatGPT to prepare for interviews by simulating conversations and receiving feedback on their responses. This can help them build confidence and hone their interview skills. Gather industry insights by asking ChatGPT questions related to specific industries. Practitioners can gather valuable insights about market trends, best practices, and potential opportunities. The model can also provide information on key players, emerging technologies, and regulatory changes. Mitigating risks and challenges. Protect intellectual property. Practitioners should be aware of the potential risks associated with using AI models like ChatGPT, such as unintentionally sharing sensitive information or inadvertently infringing on intellectual property rights. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to exercise caution when using the model and consult with legal experts as needed. Maintain ethical standards when working with AI tools like ChatGPT. practitioners should adhere to ethical guidelines, such as avoiding deception, respecting privacy, and maintaining transparency in their use of the technology. This helps build trust with clients, colleagues, and stakeholders. Incorporating improving consistently with ChatGPT, a quick tutorial for practitioners. ChatGPT, a model from OpenAI, offers numerous opportunities for practitioners to enhance their skills and productivity. This tutorial provides actionable steps to improve consistently using ChatGPT, starting today. Executive summary: this quick tutorial aims to guide practitioners on leveraging ChatGPT to streamline workflows, refine writing skills, optimize learning and research, collaborate effectively, conduct interviews, mitigate risks, and maintain ethical standards. By following the steps outlined in this document, practitioners can unlock the full potential of ChatGPT for personal and professional growth. Context definitions: in this tutorial, we refer to ChatGPT as a language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. The term practitioner encompasses individuals who utilize ChatGPT for various purposes, such as writers, researchers, developers, and professionals from diverse industries. State of the field: the use of AI models like ChatGPT is rapidly growing across multiple sectors, with numerous applications in areas such as content creation, customer service, education, and research. As the model continues to evolve, its potential for improving productivity and enhancing skills becomes increasingly apparent. Methodological lens: this tutorial employs a practical approach, focusing on actionable steps that practitioners can implement to improve their use of ChatGPT. It is based on research, best practices, and user experiences, providing valuable insights for those looking to maximize the benefits of this powerful tool. Main argument: by understanding the capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT, practitioners can leverage the model to automate repetitive tasks, refine their writing skills, expand their knowledge base, streamline research processes, collaborate effectively, conduct interviews, mitigate risks, and maintain ethical standards. Counterarguments: rebuttals: critics may argue that relying too heavily on AI tools like ChatGPT could lead to a lack of originality or creativity. However, by using the model as a tool for refinement rather than replacement, practitioners can maintain their unique voice while still benefiting from its capabilities. Case study: a case study demonstrates how a writer uses ChatGPT to generate boilerplate code, write marketing copy, and refine sentence structure, resulting in increased productivity and improved writing skills. Last 7 days: in the last 7 days, OpenAI has released updates to ChatGPT, including enhancements to its ability to understand context and generate more coherent responses. These improvements further solidify the model's potential as a valuable tool for practitioners. Practical implications: by following the steps outlined in this tutorial, practitioners can improve their productivity, enhance their skills, and stay up to date with industry trends. The practical implications of using ChatGPT extend across various fields, making it an essential tool for modern professionals. Risks: when utilizing AI models like ChatGPT, practitioners should be aware of potential risks such as unintentionally sharing sensitive information or inadvertently infringing on intellectual property rights. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to exercise caution when using the model and consult with legal experts as needed. Ethics: when working with AI tools like ChatGPT, Practitioners should adhere to ethical guidelines such as avoiding deception, respecting privacy, and maintaining transparency in their use of the technology. This helps build trust with clients, colleagues,